Let's go! Another day in the Pokemon Gundam pack opening. Starting out today is Gundam Phantom Mario. Let's see what we get today, guys. Starting out, Sachihime, Lomaria Gunner Zaku Warrior, Spiritual Support, Inspector, Chief Falcon, Evitor, Frieden 2, and Baku, Alien Chris, Enhanced Personnel number 5, Sachurum Galus, Ray Blaze, Zaku Phantom, Gun and Cannon 01, 108, and Gun Cannon 109, and the Turn 8 Gundam Resource. Now onto Pokemon Rising Chaos. Code. Starting off, Psychic Energy, Wimpod, Chespin, Patrat, Tribbish, Ferrothorn, Felpy, Meowstic, Reverse Hollow Grey Helmet, Reverse Hollow Quilladin, and a Hollow Chestnut. Alright guys, that's it for today's Pokemon Gundam pack opening. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you, goodbye.